Good morning, Huskies. This is Mrs. Harris with your morning announcements. Today is Wednesday, September 30th, 2020. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now we will say the Orchard Hollow Best Pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow. Believe it or not, Huskies, there are no Orchard Hollow birthdays today. However, I do have a funny joke of the day for you. Are you ready? What month does every tree dread? Give up? It's September. These Huskies were caught being their best last week. Lauren Teal, Jace Sabo, Mateo Burkick, Timmy King, and Jimmy Kirby. Great job reaching higher to be your best self at Orchard Hollow. Congratulations to our new Student Council officers. Serving as president this year, Trey Rivera and Louis Iliano. Serving as vice president, J.J. Hoynes and Preston Shea. Serving as treasurer, Grace Schick and Mason Larich. Serving as secretary, Alexis Jameson and Ethan Snow. Representatives will be Quinn Utzi, Silas Boleyn, Lucas Pike, Haley McClintock, Isabella Weintrup, Jonas Helkenberger, Cameron Clare, Hunter Clash, and Will Vosen. Please be mindful to be a good digital citizen today while doing your work online. Remember to find a quiet spot without distraction to do your online work. Stay focused and complete all your tasks. Use kind and encouraging words with your friends. Remember to use the raise your hand buttons and remain muted while others are speaking. Always reach higher to be your best self online. Remember, our Remote Wednesday schedule is as follows. 8:45 to 8:15 is your morning meeting. 9:15 to 10:15 will be your literacy block. 10:15 to 10:30, everyone will have a break. 10:30 to 11:30 will be your math block. 11:30 to 11:45 is closing meeting. Make it a great day, Huskies.